Sad news has surfaced in the entertainment industry as beloved actor Paul Reubens, best known for his iconic character Pee Wee Herman, has passed away at the age of 70. The confirmation of his cause of death was recently released by Rolling Stone. Paul Reubens had captured the hearts of millions with his portrayal of Pee Wee Herman, a character known for his childlike antics and humorous adventures. Reubens had created this lovable character, which became a cultural phenomenon in the 1980s and beyond. Unfortunately, at the time of his death, Reubens was battling two forms of cancer. The primary type of cancer, which is cited as the sequential underlying cause of his death, was not specified in the report. The actor had been bravely fighting this illness, but ultimately succumbed to its effects. Reubens' legacy extends far beyond his iconic role as Pee Wee Herman. He had a successful career in both film and television, appearing in various productions throughout the years. His performances garnered critical acclaim and a dedicated fan base. News of Paul Reubens' passing has sent shockwaves through the entertainment industry and has left his fans in mourning. Many have taken to social media to express their condolences and share fond memories. His talent and unique comedic style will surely be missed by audiences worldwide. As the details surrounding his funeral arrangements are yet to be disclosed, fans and colleagues eagerly await further updates to pay their respects to the late actor. Paul Reubens' contributions to the world of entertainment will undoubtedly be remembered and appreciated for years to come.